This is a CTI Cryogenics Cryo-Torr 10 Cryopump, and it's a serious piece of vacuum hardware. Designed for ultra-high vacuum applications, it delivers clean, oil-free pumping, exactly what you need for sensitive environments like semiconductor manufacturing, thin film deposition, or surface science research. This particular unit features a 14-inch Isolanic Flange, which makes it a good fit for larger vacuum systems that require a secure, high-integrity seal. It delivers roughly 1,000 liters per second of pumping speed for nitrogen and can reach base pressures below 10 torr. The stainless steel construction is robust and built for heavy-duty use. A few things to keep in mind: this pump requires a closed-loop helium refrigeration system, an external compressor, to operate, and it needs periodic regeneration to maintain performance. This high-capacity Cryo-Torr 10 is available for purchase at bmisurplus.com.